This is the 13 Eyewitness News Sports Desk, sponsored by your Central Indiana Chevy dealers.
This week, high school basketball playoffs begin for the boys with sectionals on Tuesday. The Blackford Bruins just wrapped up the best regular season in school history, and they're hoping to make a run in Class 2A. And that's something people in Hartford City didn't think could even be possible just a few years ago. Hartford City, Indiana is a small community of roughly 6,000 people. It's home to Blackford High School and a gym that can hold roughly 4,400 fans. And on nights when the boys basketball team takes the floor, you can expect every seat to be filled. Nearly the entire city piling in to watch the Bruins play.
It's really loud here, and I think playing at home helps us a ton because our fans really get into it. So yeah, it's really a shock sometimes when we get that big of a crowd.
Rewind back a few years and you'd think I'm sitting here telling you a tall tale. Blackford was one of the worst teams in the state. They had just one win over a 3-year span. No one came to watch. But that all changed in 2017 when Jerry Hoover was hired as the head coach, and he brought a talented freshman along with him.
I knew it wasn't very good, but my background has been turning programs around.
People used to tell me that they were sorry that I had to move here. Like, that's how bad it was.
Luke Brown was born and raised in Brownsburg, but when it came time to play high school basketball, his family decided to pick up and move to join Hoover.
I didn't really know what to expect, but I knew that he was a really good coach and that I could, thrive under him.
I knew he was going to be different, but I didn't know he was going to be as good as he is.
The Hall of Fame head coach realized right away that Luke Brown would be a program changer.
First game, we had a scrimmage with Tri-County, and he got 36.
And the community quickly caught wind of the new addition.
The first game that we had, there was 1,600 here. Then the next game, 2,600. And then after that, it's been full.
Blackford has now posted 3 consecutive winning seasons. Brown is a junior and led the state in scoring this year, averaging a mere 32 points per game. And in Hartford City, he's become a hoops hero, signing autographs and shaking hands everywhere he goes.
All the time. I see the same people all the time because it's so small. So I see the same old people, the same, elderly people, and talk to them. So it's pretty cool.
Brown and Hoover have helped Blackford rebuild, but there's still more work left to be done.
It's time to start winning stuff, hanging banners. We almost won the conference this year. We went 6-1. Of course, the team went 6-0. But yeah, just hang banners, sectional, regional, anything that we can do to win.